So it's Monday morning, coffee's fresh. I open the OneLake catalog, specifically the Govern tab, which is generally available as of today. And before I've even started looking for problems, the catalog is already telling me where they are. Right away, I see a notification. I've got a lack of coverage on sensitivity labels. Okay, but where? I ask Copilot, it scans across my domains and tells me it's sales. Of course it's sales. One click, I activate the default sensitivity label policy at the domain layer. Every item in sales is now automatically protected. Monday morning governance handled before my second cup of coffee. But Copilot's just getting warmed up. Let me put on a different hat. I'm the data engineer now, the person responsible for making sure the data that hundreds of analysts, business users, and now AI agents depend on is trustworthy. I pull up my semantic model. Everything I need is right there. Tags, owners, endorsements, sensitivity labels. I need a description generated by Copilot with one click. No more mystery, empty descriptions. Now it's end of the year. Sales is closing out revenue numbers. I search for orders, filter to sales, and here's something brand new. I can see the full schema of a lake house down to every column right here in the catalog. But wait, there's a social security number in the sales lake house flowing into semantic models, into reports. And when I check permissions, there are users on this lake house who have no business seeing social security numbers. Now you may be thinking, Patrick, you found the fire. How many tools do you need to open up to put it out? In the past, way too many, but not anymore. Right here, without leaving OneLake catalog, I create a security role. I pick the table, choose column level security, remove social security number, and I add the users who shouldn't see it. Done. And here's what changes everything. The one role applies across every workload in Microsoft Fabric, the Lakehouse, the Event House, even outside apps like Excel. One role, one definition everywhere. But everywhere is a big word. Does it really mean everywhere, even for AI agents that can query the data? Let's find out. Meet our friend inside the organization. She knows Microsoft Fabric. She knows data exists, and she wants those social security numbers. She goes through the Power BI MCP server, asks for a list of customers and all the columns. Results come back, no social security number, not even a hint that it exists. She pushes further, asks to see the schema of the customer table. Every column comes back. Every column she's allowed to see, social security number isn't there. It's not redacted. It's not access denied. It was never part of her reality. Not through MCP, not even in the schema. One cup of coffee, one security role, and not even AI can see what's not there. That's OneLake catalog. That's Microsoft Fabric.